What's up guys, JT over at Team FAS Motorsports, and today we're going to be installing the Baja Designs S8 hood light bar for the RZR Pro R. So it shouldn't be that bad, it's pretty plug and play. You do have to pin one connector, which is not bad at all. So you're going to go ahead and start by removing the T40s that hold on the intake on the Pro R. Okay, once that's out of the way, you're going to go ahead and install these two clips. Make sure they are threads facing down. You're going to remove the stock ones here. And these will just slide in place. Again, make sure the threads are facing down. Okay, so next thing you want to do is wrap the light here in a towel so it doesn't get damaged. And we are going to attach the brackets. Okay, so on these brackets, you want them facing like that. So the flat side goes towards the inside of the light bar. The bolts included in the kit are 7/16. So as you can see, the flat side here is going towards the inside of the light bar. Okay, so yeah, leave these a little loose because you are going to have to adjust them obviously before you finally tighten them all the way down. So now we are going to route these wires with the pins right through the side of the grill here. There are, I'm going to go on the rearmost larger opening. Next, you're going to go ahead and get your weather pack connector, unclamp it, and then we'll go ahead and pin these. Okay, so once you have your plug installed, black, white, and green. Black goes in A, green in C, and white goes in B. We're going to go ahead and open up the dash inside and take out the little tray, and then we can reach in and do the wiring inside. Okay, so next thing you want to do is remove the tray here in the center console. You're going to get down in there and take one of the dummy plugs out of the pulse bar. Then you're going to come over here to your wiring harness that was included in the kit, and we'll unravel that. You're going to plug your pulse bar in, the plug into your pulse bar, and then you want to go ahead and take a picture of the back of this switch. You are going to have to unplug those so you can run it down into your console here, and then hook the switch back up. Okay, so now that you have the switch wired in place, you can go ahead and plug that back into the harness here. And what we'll do is we have to route that plug up to the front where your light bar is going to be. So that plug is going to come through right here. So you have to route it from underneath the dash through this. So you might want to use a clothes hanger or something, maybe to get it through if you can't get it through that easy, but it is going to come through this location. Okay, so now that you have your wire fished through, you can go ahead and test this. I'm going to plug it in, make sure it works, and then we'll go ahead and attach the hood back to the vehicle. Okay, the light does work. Okay, so we're going to put the hood back on, but you do have to put some washers as spacers. So we'll go ahead and do that. So each one of these is going to take a washer, then through the bracket in the hood, and then 2 more washers before it goes onto the vehicle. Okay, so once your light bar is in place, again, washer on the top, then 2 washers, and then it's going to go through the hood. You can go ahead and tighten it down with the 7/16 socket. Okay, so now at this time, you'll be able to adjust your light wherever you want it. We're going to adjust ours when we get out to the desert, but at least it'll be on there. And then simple enough to just tighten these the way we want them. So pretty easy install. What we're going to do now is we're going to go inside the vehicle and just button up our interior, zip tie all the wires nice. These do have an amber backlight, which is another separate wiring harness. You can install that. It does come in the kit here. So that's just connecting a few wires, and that'll get that to work. So if you have any questions, drop us a comment below. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more installs. Thanks for watching.